got Josh Kane ready to take the ride here out of New Douglas, Illinois. Well, that International 5488.
It's still around, yeah. If you look
man to beat, still David Bumpus sitting way out there on the Bumpus binder at 317.80. 317.80 for Dave Bumpus and the Bumpus binder.
But yeah, the modified class in Europe is really interesting. You see how they put a radial aircraft engine in the thing. It's really, I don't know how they see it. I don't either. It's, yeah, if you get a chance, you know, look on there. It's really something. I mean, it's anything from tank engines to, you name it, it's a lot of variety.
All right, Josh lacing up on that F5-point attachment harness.
Oh, yeah.
Thinking about that ride that unloaded the weight down there and how much banging around that man they didn't know the cage.
Yes,
And a fire goes out a little early here for Josh Kane.